You can live in Sweden without Swedish, but you won't ever feel like you truly belong. Some people will tell you learning Swedish is pointless. Everybody speaks English anyway. But trust me, this advice might actually ruin your entire life in Sweden. Today I'm sharing with you exactly what it is you're missing out on when you skip learning Swedish. And trust me, it's way more than just grammar and vocabulary. You can live in Sweden without Swedish, but you won't ever feel like you really belong. Ever been at a Swedish fika but felt like an outsider? You catch the words but not the meaning. The jokes fly over your head. You smile but don't feel included. Swedes might be polite and switch to English, but their humor, their emotions, their true selves, that stays in Swedish. You'll be at the table during this fika, but you'll miss the meaning, the history, the subtle jokes, everything that makes Sweden Swedish. Because, spoiler, the best parts of Swedish culture cannot be translated into another language. Here's something most newcomers don't realize. English is fine until it isn't. Two people apply for the same job, same experience. One speaks Swedish. Who do you think gets the job? Not learning Swedish could literally cost you the career you want to have. And even basic Swedish gives you an edge here, because that itself sends a strong signal that you're committed to staying and integrating in society. I've seen it so many times. Swedes lighting up when foreigners speak even just a little Swedish. Even if it's just a phrase like, "Hey, hur mår du?" Game changer. Swedes open up, they laugh with you. Suddenly, you're not just another expat, you're someone they see as part of the group. Let's address the elephant in the room. Swedish can sound really weird, especially at first. Words like fart mean speed, and slut mean no, slut mean slut mean ending. And yes, people find it very funny. But guess what? Swedish is, according to pretty much all my students, easier and funnier than they actually expected at first. The pronunciation, a bit challenging, but still fun to imitate. The grammar, way simpler than German or French. And once you get used to this Swedish melody that we have, like, huh, you will notice how it's actually kind of addictive to keep on doing that when speaking. Kind of like actual singing, I guess. Give it a chance. You might just be surprised by how fast you improve. Technically, you can survive in Sweden without learning Swedish, but if you are here to connect, grow, and to really feel at home, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more real talk about Swedish life and about our language. And if you are really serious, grab my beginner course or book a private lesson with me. And together, trust me, we'll find a way to make Swedish make sense for you. Have you ever experienced that moment when speaking Swedish made all the difference? Comment below. I would love to hear your story.